Hi, this is Lay and welcome to my mini vlog. We had our staycation at the Oriental Hotel in Legazpi, the home of the best scenic view and world-class amenities in Bicol. Tara, room tour tayo. This room is so cute, so cozy, spacious, and worth it talaga sa pressure. Complete with hotel essentials. Ito nga pala ay deluxe queen room with mayon view. Here comes the main character. The veranda with a stunning view of Mount Mayon. Magayunan nga ni. And of course, the infinity pool with the view. Literal na no filter, no caption needed, just wow. Every part of this hotel is beyond aesthetic. The overview of the city in the morning and at night, palong-palong. Andito na lahat eh. Best restaurant, bar, gym, spa, name it! Hindi mo na kailangan lumabas pa ng hotel. A must-try alfresco dining at Mayon Grill.
Na ikaw mong tingin sa'yo lang hihimbing.
Every part is Instagrammable naman talaga. We also explored this underground bar. At talaga namang nag-enjoy yung mata ko. Ang dami nilang antique collection.
Sundin ang damdamin o sumama ka sa'kin.
And look at this one. Ilang taon na tong telepono na to. Ang ganda. We totally enjoyed the stay. Nagahan yung gising para sa sunrise. Hinanap pa talaga namin kung saan siya magpapakita. Our booking comes with free breakfast buffet, breakfast with a view, perfectly pang slow mo, and deep talks. Overall feels, honestly, if you want a place na tahimik, aesthetic at pang reset ng life, this is it. Soft Life Era activated!